Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable a device driver automatic update in Windows 11. So there not only automatic update on your operating system, also there is a device driver update that maybe you want to disable it or enable manually. So in order to do that, you can go to the settings by click start icon, go to the settings, click on your system, scroll down until you find about, the last option here, click it, and here you can scroll down under device manager. You can click it again, and here you can check your device. You can manage your device, make sure your device at least there is no conflict, there is no yellow bang. So here you can check if your like processor, hard disk is readable, for example, and also you can add legacy hardware or add drivers in here. And let's close it. After you learn about device manager, now start with advanced system settings. Click it in order to go to the system properties. Here you can go to the hardware tab, click it, and click device installation setting. Choose whether Windows downloads manufacturer's app and custom icons are available for your device. Click and you can choose no. So here how you can disable automatically download manufacturer apps and custom icon available for your device. So here your device might not work as expected, so save change, do it your own ways. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.